So here, and then answer it. So using this one, you can see the level that you want for the camera.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this wireless doorbell camera made by AUE, which stands for Always Under Eyes. And this battery powered doorbell camera model is Bell J9, and this is sent to us to be reviewed and installed also. So let's start by opening this box. This is a 3 megapixel HD camera with a clear night vision, PIR motion detection, have a real-time alert, and IP66 waterproof, full duplex two-way audio, rechargeable battery built in, and this also have a cloud storage. So yeah, this can be bought on their website or on Amazon. So let's check what's inside the box. Alright, so we have this user manual. We will follow the direction here on how to install it properly. Their contact information here. This is the doorbell, right? And then this is a chime. Just insert this through USB, or if you have a USB charger. And the hardwares, this one included the USB-C charger cable, some screws, and what's this? Maybe a SIM card tray remover. Yeah, here. But it will be used for removing the back case. Okay, so this one is how you will install it. You have to screw this first on the wall, and then you can put it back. Okay, so supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So this is the doorbell button, and I think this is the camera, the lens camera, and this is the PIR infrared sensor.
So we're here outside. We're going to install this doorbell now, and to know the level that you want, you can always try the doorbell and look at the camera. So let's try it now. And so I have to answer it here, answer the call, and then so using this one, you can see the level that you want for the camera. I think that's good enough. So you can see in the camera. So I know the height that I want. I will mark it with a pencil here. From the bottom to the top. And then where I want to place it, I need to remove this cover using this included tool. Should be at the bottom. Just like this, and then lift it up. Okay. And then yeah, somewhere here. So all you have to do is mark it with the pencil. So this was the line, and then I will mark the hole here where I want to put the screw. Alright. Okay, and then since you have a marker, or you put a mark already, we can now screw that back case of back cover. This bag includes this chime, and then there's 3 adhesive tape if you just want to use that one instead of a screw. If you're going to use this adhesive tape, there's 3 here. Then put it here, here, and also here if you want to. But I will use a screw. This one includes this. I think this is capable of holding a screw, so I will not choose this one. You can use the 3 screw if you want to, but I will just use 2. The other one will be a backup. So I don't have my drill with me. So here I'm showing you how to do it without, if you don't have a drill, you can do it like this. Right? But if you have a drill, you can pre-drill it. And you remove it halfway. And then on the other marker here, you can even use a hammer if you want, and nail to make a initial hole, but this one will work. Alright, so now I have a guide for my screws. That's sorted. So will be, now we can attach this back case. So it should be like this way. See this hole, it should be this way. It's kind of hard to do, but alright. Don't tighten it yet. So yeah. Okay. Check if you're on the, if it's level. You can use a level, bubble level here. Alright, that's it. No need to tighten it too much. And then install it back. Top portion first, and then press it. Alright. Then remove the plastic, because this is an infrared sensor, and you can remove this one. So I have here the chime, and yeah, I'll be using a power bank for now. Then insert it here. Right. And then press the setting, and then press the setting. It will be on pairing mode, and press it. That's it, it's paired. With this setting, this is when you want to change the sound of the chime. That's the doorbell, and this is the sound volume. So yeah, they're paired already. Again, by pairing it, just press this one and then press the doorbell, and it will pair by itself or automatically. So yeah, let's try it again. You can see here in the camera. Just make sure you answer. So you can talk to your phone if you have someone at the door. You can talk to them using your phone. And then this is the mic. This is infrared, and of course this is the doorbell, and this is camera. So that's how easy it is to install this kind of doorbell. Just download an app, install it here, make sure you charge it fully before using it. And then yeah, the quality is good. It's not like a 4K or 1080p or really high quality camera, but it still works. You can see the face clearly, and then see it's really clear. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.